All right, people, I got an update here for AMD. Before I talk about that update, I want to talk about my last update, which is on this day here, August the 9th. Now, I talked about it needing confirmation, and of course, it could not confirm, and they took it lower. This is why confirmation is key. However, the beautiful thing about today's action, I really like how we reversed. However, and it's a gain. At least it saved by it doing what it did. It gave us a gain. It puts it back into that signal of my plan. So let's talk about the update plan now, people. So AMD is set up to test 15 again from here, and this is what I was talking about August the 9th, but it failed to confirm in a bad way, by the way. But this reversal back to this key level now is telling us something. There's something possible here, okay? And again, this is the ones I wanted to use. The October 20th 13 calls could be used because they could be used in case that if AMD really smashes that $15 area, maybe those October 13 calls can still be used for greater gains, right? Because 17 to 18 are still in the cards for longer term. At the same time, you got to realize though that there's a possibility that they could come and test, but what we do know is there's strong support in that 1170, 1150 area. However, we could still go there first before if we cannot confirm and then try again. So as it stands, the way I would look to play this is that AMD needs to break above 1310 on some good action volume. And good action volume is 10 million on the 10-minute chart. Now, if the volume, I'm going to explain this in the chart, I mean in the video here, okay, people? So if the volume isn't there, we'll watch for basic above 1310 and look for power through 1330 to even 1350. Listen, we do need that volume, we do need that power, we do need that pressure. It could fade again and test those levels again and give us new signals. The key is when we get the right signal, these October 20th 13 calls could be great to use for great solid gains. But I still want to engage in these, and this gives us time for we're easily to come and test 15 on this confirmation again and make great gains. So let's take a look at the options together, people. All right, people, the Yahoo option data isn't available, so we're going to look at my options chain. And the October 17 13 calls are trading at about $1.05. Okay, on confirmation, you're looking at about $1, I don't know, 20, $1.30, we'll say. But right now, as it stands, these are now. What this means is for every option you control 100 shares for just $120. If it, let's say it confirms at $1.20, right? So $1.20 means $120 to control 100 shares of AMD. And of course, if you buy 10 of them, well, then there you go, right? You multiply that by 10, and that's your cost, and so on and so forth. Now, today there was some good trading in these, 1.3K, so 1,300 contracts were purchased on these 13 calls, and you want to go within these two contracts, the 12s or the 13s. You do not want to go with anything higher than that. That gives you the highest probability of making money no matter what the outcome is, in case there's a pullback. Plus we have the time with the October 20 options. Again, people, confirmation is key. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. You know, the key, people, is confirmation is key. I can't stress this enough. Study the videos this daily. A lot of times we assume things, and then the stocks don't do anything to what we want. Like a lot of people were thinking that, you know, AMD was going to reverse on the 9th, only for it to crumble down. It looked good. It looked good technically, but confirmation, I tell you, from my experience, is key. When you combine confirmation with great plans, you increase your odds tremendously. Don't assume, don't guess, but have a strong, detailed plan. And when the plan doesn't want to confirm, avoid, because 9 out of 10 times, when it does confirm, you're going to make some great money. I assure you, people. So again, study, the videos, visit daily, follow Power Trick or Trade for updates and confirmation. Again, see this picture of me over here. It's going to appear here at the end of the video in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Believe me, if you're serious about making money on options, you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel. A lot of great things are going to be happening uniquely on here. And you also want to follow me on Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits or on Twitter. So you can see it's called Follow Power Trigger Trade, right? And that you can find Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits or on Twitter. I would subscribe to everything. So be follower on StockTwits and on Twitter, and make sure you create a YouTube account and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget, take your time to this created playlist has a lot of great detailed plans from start to end, very educational, very powerful. Check out my Apple Update, Netflix plan, and GS plan. A lot of key information in there. Again, people, confirmation is key. Study the videos, and I do post confirmation when I like things of the very plans that I post, because I want to get in there and make money. But right now, like I said, confirmation, especially in these market conditions, is more important than ever before. So there you have, people, a great update. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.